Lightweight and compact, the best backpacking stoves deliver reliable, efficient heat for cooking on the trail. Designed for easy ignition and fuel efficiency, they ensure quick meal prep without added bulk. Durable materials and adjustable flames offer versatile performance in any outdoor setting. In this video, we recommend the 7 best backpacking stoves, based on quality, durability, price, and more. Check the description for purchase links to easily find the right choice for you. Number 7. MSR PocketRocket 2 Ultralight Camping and Backpacking Stove. The MSR PocketRocket 2 Ultralight Camping and Backpacking Stove is a top choice for minimalist adventurers seeking reliable performance without added weight. Weighing only 2.6 ounces and folding compactly, it's perfect for backpacking, hiking, trekking, camping, and global travel. This stove boils 1 liter of water in just 3.5 minutes, making meal prep fast and efficient. Its flame adjusts easily from a gentle simmer to a powerful rolling boil, allowing for versatile cooking options outdoors. Fueled by high-performance isobutane propane canisters, which are available worldwide, it features a self-sealing threaded connection for safe, easy fuel attachment. Setup is simple with no priming, preheating, or pressurizing needed. The serrated pot supports accommodate a wide range of pot sizes and styles, providing stability and versatility. A lightweight protective case is included for convenient transport and storage, making the MSR PocketRocket 2 an essential stove for anyone serious about ultralight outdoor cooking. Number 6. Fire Maple FMS X1 Backpacking and Camping Stove. The Fire Maple FMS X1 Backpacking and Camping Stove system offers exceptional efficiency with its advanced heat exchange technology, reducing boiling times by up to 30% compared to traditional stoves. This means quicker meals and less fuel consumption on the trail. Designed as a compact and lightweight all-in-one system, the stove, bowl, and fuel canister conveniently nest inside the 1-liter cooking pot for easy packing. Weighing only 18 ounces, it's perfect for hiking, trekking, fishing, hunting trips, and emergency use. Note that fuel canisters are sold separately and it's compatible with most except Coleman canisters. The integrated piezoelectric igniter provides instant ignition, simplifying operation in the outdoors. The hard anodized aluminum pot features a locking stainless steel handle for safe, sturdy handling, while the insulating neoprene cover adds protection and heat retention. For optimal performance in windy conditions, using a windscreen is recommended. The Fire Maple FMS X1 is a reliable, durable cooking companion for any outdoor adventure. Number 5. CANWAY Portable Camping Stove. The CANWAY Portable Camping Stove is a compact and lightweight wood-burning stove designed for backpacking, hiking, traveling, and survival cooking. Its collapsible design fits easily into a small storage bag, saving valuable space in your backpack for other essentials. Constructed from high-quality stainless steel, this stove features a sturdy 3-arm pot support base that provides a safe, stable cooking platform while distributing heat evenly. It includes an additional grill top for barbecue, making it perfect for 1 to 2 people. Environmentally friendly, the stove requires no fuel canisters or alcohol, using readily available branches, leaves, and wood as fuel. Its high thermal efficiency is boosted by secondary combustion, allowing it to burn continuously for about 20 minutes with dry firewood or wood chips. This stove comes with a storage bag and user manual, making it an ideal companion for outdoor adventures and picnics. Number 4. SOTO Windmaster Stove. The SOTO Windmaster stove with 4 flex is engineered for reliable performance in windy and gusty conditions. Its micro-regulator valve system maintains consistent output, boiling 2 cups of water in under 2.5 minutes even in strong winds. This efficiency helps conserve fuel for longer use. Weighing just 2.3 ounces, the stove features a shock-resistant stealth igniter that improves ignition reliability and prevents breakage. Its unique burner design places the pot close to the flame with a concave burner head that acts like a built-in windscreen, boosting fuel efficiency. The included 4-flex support accommodates large pots, while compatibility with the optional Triflex offers versatility for smaller cookware. This ultra-lightweight stove runs on a mix of butane, isobutane, and propane, excluding 100% propane, making it a durable and efficient choice for backpackers and outdoor cooks. Number 3. Fire Maple FMS 300T Portable Stove. The Fire Maple FMS 300T Portable Stove is an ISPO Design Award Gold winner, crafted from premium materials like titanium, brass, hard anodized aluminum, and stainless steel for durability and lightweight performance. Weighing only 0.1 pounds, 45 grams, this ultralight stove is perfect for backpacking and outdoor adventures where every ounce counts. Its powerful burner distributes heat evenly, boiling 1 liter of water in about 3 minutes and 50 seconds, making meal prep quick and efficient. Compatible with screw-top propane, butane, and isobutane gas canisters, it also works well with an LPG adapter, fuel canister not included. Compact and portable, the stove folds to fit comfortably in your hand and stores easily in any cookpot or kettle, making it an ideal choice for hikers and campers. Number 2. Jetboil Flash Camping and Backpacking Stove. The Jetboil Flash Camping and Backpacking Stove system is built for speed and efficiency, boiling water in just 100 seconds, the fastest Jetboil yet. Its 1-liter flux ring cooking cup with insulating cozy makes boiling and keeping water warm effortless, perfect for coffee, soup, or dehydrated meals on the trail. A reliable push-button igniter starts heating instantly, while a thermochromatic heat indicator shows when water is ready. This system includes the stove, cooking cup, lid, bottom cup, and fuel can stabilizer. The bottom cup doubles as a measuring cup and bowl for convenience. Compatible accessories add versatility, making it ideal for backpacking, camping, hiking, survival, and emergency use. Number 1. CAMPINGMOON Canister Top Stove. The CAMPINGMOON Canister Top Stove XD2F is a lightweight, compact, and foldable gas stove designed for backpacking and outdoor adventures. Weighing only 3.2 ounces, it offers high efficiency with an output of 3.3 kilowatts, burning for about 1.4 hours on an 8-ounce canister. Its built-in regulator ensures consistent gas flow and stable cooking, even with pressure fluctuations, providing a steady pot support during use. The stove's detachable frame folds down and fits into the included canvas storage bag for easy transport and space-saving convenience. Ideal for backpacking, tent camping, and emergency use, it performs well even in winter or windy conditions, making it a reliable, cost-effective choice for outdoor cooking. We can't mention the price, because it is constantly changing. All these links are available in the description box. Don't forget to check the update price. We will be back with more videos soon.